Welcome to Wits Up. Did you know that there is something absolutely natural that can help improve Alzheimer's symptoms and help you look younger and improve your sexual performance and even treat iron anemia? It can improve your heart health and even fight off cancer. And yes, it does not involve any exercise. Whew, is that too much? Keep watching to find out what can do this. So, what is this miraculous remedy? It is called Shilajit in Ayurveda. What is Shilajit? Shilajit is a natural substance found in the mountain rocks, mostly Himalayas. It is a herbo-mineral drug which oozes out from a special type of mountain rocks in the peak summer months. It is found at high altitudes between 1000 to 5000 meters. Shilajit has developed over centuries from the slow decomposition of plants. It is rich in fulvic acid, humic acid, and 84 other minerals in ionic form, including iron, selenium, and zinc. An interesting thing about Shilajit is that according to Ayurveda, it tends to increase activity of the 7 body constituents, including blood, fat, bone, muscle, chyle, bone marrow, and reproductive fluid. Shilajit is rich in many minerals, which makes it a powerful medicine that can treat various diseases. One reason Shilajit is such an effective medicinal mineral herb is due to its high fulvic acid content. Fulvic acid has many proven benefits, from improving gut health to keeping skin healthy. Benefits of Shilajit. Number 10. Improves brain function. Shilajit can help in brain injury. A study was conducted in Iran in 2013 on the effects of Shilajit on traumatic brain injury. They found that Shilajit can cause neurological improvement through decreasing brain edema, disrupting of blood-brain barrier, and reducing intracranial pressure after any trauma brain injury. Shilajit can also be used to prevent progress of Alzheimer's disease in patients with mild symptoms. For those who do not know what is Alzheimer's disease, it is a progressive disorder that causes your brain cells to degenerate or die. A person affected by this tends to lose their memory over time, is and unable to perform their day-to-day tasks. Research has shown that fulvic acids present in Shilajit combined with B vitamins can stop the abnormal development of tau protein and improve Alzheimer's symptoms and prevent it from progressing. Number 9. Reduce signs of aging. What if you get a superpower to look young throughout your life? Well, consider Shilajit as the one. With Shilajit, you can get that glowing and younger looking skin even in your late 30s and beyond. The fulvic acid present in Shilajit is a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory component which protects against free radicals and cellular damage. So, use of Shilajit may significantly slow your aging process, improve longevity, and better health. Number 8. Supports bone health. Shilajit helps bones regenerate, protects them, and slows the process of osteoporosis. In a study of obese patients published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, Shilajit supplementation improved the function and regeneration of skeletal muscles. This is a great option for those suffering from bone ailments. Number 7. Prevents chronic fatigue syndrome. CFS. For thousands of years, Ayurvedic practitioners have prescribed Shilajit to boost energy and revitalize the body. Chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, is a long-term condition that causes extreme tiredness and fatigue. A person suffering from CFS finds it difficult to go to work, office, or school. Performing even day-to-day activities is too much for them. Shilajit encourages the function of mitochondria, helping them oxygenate more efficiently. Regular intake of Shilajit can help reduce symptoms of CFS and restore energy in such people. Number 6. Help manage diabetes. Shilajit is effective in controlling blood glucose levels and improves the lipid profile in diabetic patients. It is found to be especially effective when taken in conjunction with regular diabetes medications. Depending on results, you may need to reduce your medications. Number 5. Iron deficiency anemia. If you fail to take a diet that is rich in iron, it may cause iron deficiency anemia. This is especially true for young women. A person suffering from anemia shows symptoms like fatigue, cold hands and feet, weakness, headache, and even irregular heartbeat. Shilajit has significant levels of iron. Studies show that intake of Shilajit can increase the levels of hemoglobin, red blood cells, and hematocrit in the blood. Number 4. Improves heart health. Preliminary research has shown that Shilajit in smaller doses can improve heart health. However, in large doses, it may have the opposite effect. If you have issues with irregular heartbeat or other heart-related problems, it's a good idea to talk to your Ayurvedic doctor before beginning supplementation. Number 3. Fight off viruses. New research has found that Shilajit is a potent antiviral and is effective in healing and preventing gastric ulcers and reducing the inflammation related to them. One Italian study has reported that, but it has broad yet specific antiviral properties. They found that significant antiviral activity against a number of herpes-related viruses and HRSV, a virus that causes respiratory tract infections, especially in children. Number 2. Helps fight liver cancer cells. Shilajit has been found to be toxic to various types of cancers, including lung, breast, colon, ovarian, and liver cancer. One study found that Shilajit helped force the destruction of cancerous cells in the liver. It can also stop cancerous cells from multiplying. Number 1. Increases testosterone level in men. This is the most common and popular benefit of Shilajit. Testosterone is a primary male sex hormone. Men with low levels of testosterone have low sex drive. Signs of low testosterone include a low sex drive, hair loss, loss of muscle mass, fatigue, increased body fat. In one clinical study of male volunteers between the ages of 45 and 55, participants were given a 250 mg dose of purified Shilajit twice a day. After 90 consecutive days, the study found that the participants had a significantly higher testosterone level compared to the placebo group. The presence of fulvic acid in Shilajit helps increase sperm count, sperm quality, and testosterone levels in men. Shilajit usage and dosage. Pure Shilajit is bitter and ash-like in taste. The recommended dose of Shilajit is 250 to 500 mg per day. Shilajit is available in powder as well as in liquid forms. If taken in powder form, a person can dissolve a rice-sized to pea-sized portion in milk or water and drink 1 to 2 times a day, depending on your Ayurvedic physician's instruction. We strictly recommend consulting a doctor or health professional before taking any supplements or medications. If you've enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.